Why, hello there, and thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some very quick and easy DIYs for Christmas. Can you believe that we are in November, almost December? It's 2 weeks away from December. So I wanted to share with you these very quick DIYs that you can put around your house, even give away as gifts. The first project that I am showing you is using two salt and pepper shakers. I made them into snowmen. So I took the tops of them and I painted them both black, and I'm going to use those for the hats. And at the Dollar Tree you can find these salt and pepper shakers, as well as the ping pong balls and the ribbon that I used. The red ribbon I think is from Michael's, but the other ribbon, I think it's holly ribbon, is from the Dollar Tree. And then there's this little snow foam styrofoam pieces that I have in this bag that you can see. And I poured that into both the salt and pepper shaker to make it look like it's snow. These turned out so cute. I'm bringing them to the store today, but I might make another set for the house. I just poured it up, and I ended up taking some out because I wanted the ping pong ball to sit nicely in them. I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue, which I'm running out of, to glue on the ping pong. Don't even have to paint them. They're already white. I mean, it's your choice to paint them even whiter, or maybe chalk paint would be a cool farmhouse style looking chippy paint. But I just left them alone. And this one, I'm gluing. And then on this guy, I put red ribbon and shortened his little scarf. And then I glued on the side of the shaker so that it wasn't flying away. It's all your preference. So, but I just saw this somewhere and I was like, oh my goodness, I can make these into snowmen and I need to share them. Decorations for Christmas, I'm looking all around and they're so expensive for everything, and if you can make it, why not? And all you need for this is Gorilla Glue or craft glue, and yeah, the little shakers and the ribbon and styrofoam balls. It doesn't cost much at all, so definitely less than $10, and you got a cute little snowman and snowwoman. It looks really cute. And I'm doing the same thing to that one. Yeah, I'm gluing on their hats. And then I go on to paint their faces. I use toothpicks, and I had orange paint, red paint, black paint. And it was nice and easy with the toothpicks instead of using a paintbrush. And in minutes you have two cute snowmen to decorate your kitchen table. Put them on a mantle. Wherever you want to place them, they're adorable. So now you see me putting on those little snowball styrofoams. I roll them around in black paint, and then I use them as the coal on the snowman and the snowwoman. You could probably use buttons, little pom-poms, all up to you. So for this DIY, you only need a few materials. I grabbed 3 gift bags that were adorable at the Dollar Tree, and I grabbed 3 8x10 frames. And I really like these frames because they almost look like the wooden ones from Walmart. And what's really cool about these gift bags is you could use both sides. Sometimes if it has glitter on it, the one side is glittery and the other side isn't, but I don't think it would matter. You could get 2 out of the one gift bag. So then I take the piece of paper that was inside the frame and I traced around it, getting as close as I could so you could fit the whole snowman in. I love snowmen. So I grabbed 2 different snowmen gift bags. And all you gotta do is trace around it and then use your scissors or your cutting tool if you have a cutting tool and put it right in the frame, and you have a cute little picture to decorate around the house. Put it on your wall, on a mantle, up to you. But I just thought it was really cool that you could find very inexpensive ways to decorate for the holidays. And I did 3 of them, and I did the same thing for all of them. I just traced around it, put them in the frames, and voila. So I hope that you enjoyed. Get decorating, why not? And thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you next time, and take care, be safe, and see you later. Bye.